Tortoises are known for their remarkable longevity, with many species living for several decades, and some even surpassing a century. Here's why. 1. Slow metabolism. Tortoises have a very slow metabolism, which means they use energy more efficiently and at a slower rate. This slow metabolic rate reduces the wear and tear on their bodies over time, contributing to their long lifespan. Their ability to conserve energy allows them to survive longer periods without food, reducing the frequency of cellular activity that could lead to aging. 2. Protective shell. The hard shell of a tortoise provides significant protection from predators. This natural defense mechanism is a key factor that reduces the likelihood of injury and death from predation, allowing them to live longer. 3. Genetic factors. Tortoises have efficient mechanisms for DNA repair and maintenance, which helps prevent the accumulation of genetic damage that can lead to aging and diseases. In addition, tortoises exhibit slower rates of cellular senescence, meaning their cells take longer to age and lose function compared to other animals. 4. Reproductive strategy. Many tortoise species reach sexual maturity at a relatively late age. This slow reproductive cycle is often associated with longer lifespans, as organisms that reproduce later tend to invest more in maintenance and survival. 5. Adaptation to harsh environments. Tortoises are adapted to survive in a variety of harsh environments, including extreme temperatures and prolonged periods of drought or scarcity of food. Their ability to endure these conditions reduces mortality rates. 6. Minimal predation and natural threats. In many ecosystems, adult tortoises have few natural predators, allowing them to live longer. Their slow movement and the environments they inhabit also help reduce the risk of fatal encounters. 7. Lifestyle and behavior. Tortoises typically lead low-stress lives, moving slowly and expending minimal energy. This calm lifestyle contributes to their longevity by reducing the physical and physiological stress that can accelerate aging. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to get further interesting and useful content.